Hi and welcome back. So what I said in the last video is that there are certain cases where ParseInt is not able to convert the string into a number, and if it tries to convert something into a number that it cannot convert to a number, it will return not a number. So for example, let's say you have a string A, B, C, and you want to convert this into a decimal number. Of course, there is no digit within the decimal numbers that has any of this. So there will be no way for this to get converted to a decimal number. So this will return not a number. And then you see this ParseInt, we are converting this into an octal number, and we know that an octal number only has digits from 0 to 7. It doesn't have 8 and it doesn't have 9. So this will not be convertible to an octal number, and that will return not a number. And then this one, trying to convert this one into a binary number, we know a binary number only has 0 and 1. Only these two. And we're trying to convert these ones into a binary number. These are not available in the binary digits. So these ones will give you not a number. So let's go to the browser and just see some of this in examples. So if I come back to Scratchpad, let me just delete everything there. Then let's start with this one and convert this one into 2. We know that these ones are not part of 0 or 1. We know that 0 and 1 are the only acceptable numbers that can be converted into binary. So if we try to convert this one and display, it returns not a number. And then let's say we take this one into 1 and 9, 183, and we try to convert this into an octal number. So an octal number only has from 0 up to 7. 8 is not there. So that means it will convert up to the point that it can convert something to an octal number. In this case, 1. So if we display this one, it will only return 1 because it converted 1 into an octal number and then was not able to convert the rest. So if I remove this one, and now we only have 83, it will not be able to convert 8, and it will stop there, and it will just give us back not a number. So if I display that, it gives us not a number. If I also come here, let's just use something else like A, B, C, D, E, and then we try to convert this into an octal number. And then we display, it will return not a number. There are certain cases where you may not have that. It may be undefined or missing. So in this case, if the number which is here is like this and we try to display this number, it will give us back not a number. And if we put 1, 2, 3 and then we try to display this, let me give you a good example here of 14, right? If I start this number 1, 4 and I don't have a radius and I display this, so the ParseInt, if I convert 14 into a number and display it, remove all of that, if I display this, it will give us 14. So if I convert this, it will give us 14. So let's come back here and see certain rules for how this might behave if we don't have a radix. So I don't want this video to be long, and therefore in the next video let's come back here and see what will happen if the radix is 0, or the radix is undefined, or the radix is missing. So I'll see you in the next video.